That shit's crazy that they were thinking about it. That's wow. You know that was just like that.
Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow deep down. She just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow. Deep down, she just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. I've been sipping on some liquor, cause right now I'm getting sick of dealing with feelings that I can't get with the picture. And I know this shit won't work long term, but right now it's all I got. And if I gotta burn to learn, then light me up like lightning buzz. These nights be tough fighting the demons I sleep with. Lord, give me one reason to believe the gospel that we bastardize, cause right now I really fucking need it all. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow deep down. She just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow. Deep down, she just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. And I've been lost in the weed smoke, me, myself, and I committing treasons, praying for a grace to say couldn't reach us. Fuck that, but what the fuck do we know? Not much, but enough to not judge. People like me who are down on their luck. People like me who feel like we are stuck, who don't know if we'll ever be enough. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow deep down. She just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow. Deep down, she just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. To those who listen, I know that this is strange, but painting only half a picture is quite dangerous. And what I want is for all of us to raise up, look in the mirror, see that your very existence is courageous. In regards to hope, know that you haven't lost it. Sometimes despair is just part of the process, and sometimes the pain we feel deep down inside is all we have to remind ourselves that we are still alive. So take this as you will, but I think that you're amazing, cause like me, day by day you find a fucking way to vanquish or sedate the very monsters that enslave you, and that alone makes you a fucking inspiration. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow deep down. She just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home. Dream more than my mama might care to know. That's nothing to the tree I blow. Deep down, she just wanna see me grow, but mama, I'm a long way from home.
Dude, what did we do to ourselves? Evil cannot create. Only the story what is good. All the world be great.
It's that off-brand music. The off-brand music. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal our peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. It's like everybody wants to feel love, accept what is given, even if it's not enough. Only accept what we think we deserve, which is absurd, cause our vision's so blurred that we can't even see. That's the own damn feed. So abuse can look like love if we don't look closely. So if you're a woman, or if you're a man, if you dare to trust another human, please just understand there is no limits to the cruelty you may suffer, but also no telling what good lays undercover, cause connection is a treasure found only by the few who have waded through distortion to find a better view. And the path is full of lies that mostly caught spews, but your heart was like a compass, always pointing you the truth, yeah. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal our peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Like some days I feel like I'm dying, slowly in my nest, never brave enough for flying, never able to heave these burdens from my back, so I can draw air, stop this asthma attack. But other days, I swear that I can soar up through the clouds, and I weave between the swords that are wielded by the legion, creeping demons. Gotta stop this little reason, try to play it off by cheesing, but these whispers keep me bleeding from wounds of doubting who I am or who I was. I'm either too stupid or just not good enough. But on my flying days I say fuck that. The voice whispered that I couldn't paint, but I've done that. Bad self-portraits, landscape after landscape, fit is beating back with every brush stroke. My hands made 10,000 hours just to become a novice, believing in myself, but I'm no longer held hostage by those same fears that once played even eating. Am I good enough? I was created, but now I won't believe it. Into me, that's all life is. So run to each weakness, make a blessing out of it. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal our peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. Don't let the fear steal your peace, no. Don't let the fear steal your peace. I wonder if the end is getting closer. I wonder if they even fucking notice. I wonder if all of this self-loathing that I feel can be healed by the words of a poet. Do you remember when we laid awake for hours counting sheep to help us sleep? But in the end they were devoured by the questions that we offered to the cosmos. We were lost and falling through black holes into lands unforgotten. I was scared that those nights would end, and in the morning we would no longer be friends. I was scared that those nights would end, and I would never be understood again. I wonder if the end is getting closer. I wonder if they even fucking notice. I wonder if all of this self-loathing that I feel can be healed by the words of a poet. I said, I wonder if the end is getting closer. I wonder if they even fucking notice. I wonder if all of this self-loathing that I feel can be healed by the words of a poet. What a time to be alive, when the whole world feels like it might fall to pieces, cause we lost our reason, and it feels like our demons has stolen our peace, and for its return to man treason. So we walk one last time through Eden, pressing each step that we take, cause we can't shake, feeling we were made for something more than war. Little do we know we're just steps from heaven's door. Little do we know we're just steps from heaven's door. Little do we know we're just steps from heaven. I wonder if the end is getting closer. I wonder if they even fucking notice. I wonder if all of this self-loathing that I feel can be healed by the words of a poet. I said, I wonder if the end is getting closer. I wonder if they even fucking notice. I wonder if all of this self-loathing that I feel can be healed by the words of a poet. So I've been on that Van Gogh shit a few years now. Feel like I've been chasing each fear down. Voice sent me to submission, so I do not have to listen to the ignorant bullshit and never tears down. And I'm murderous, the way I kill these beasts, ho. Found beauty in the struggle, better with each go. No longer stressing of regression, just pressing to the blessing I see back at the end of these roads. And I ain't trying to sell you nothing, cause it's weak, son. Just be signing off every day of the week, bruh. If you don't like it, it don't matter, cause I'm righteous as a hippie getting trippy, who be hitting to the weak, gun. In the flow, cataclysmic, but you knew that. Rhythm and poetry, this is true rap. Forever carry slight joys as my shoes in. I got a world to see, no time to lose, bro. Oh, we just living life in the moment, and we swear that these demons can't hold us, cause we dream better dreams than they showed us, and exposed every lie that they told us. Yeah, we just living life in the moment, and we'll only ever get more focused. Writing souls upon the walls before they close in, so they never forget we were poets. See, I'm joyfully rebelling against all negative energy, cause so many good vibes heaven has sent to me. In the center back, only time I ever glance to the past is my myself that nothing can hold me down. Lets me gravity, your holy ground, so I step with dancing feet. Cause overwhelming joy I found this overwhelming peace. Lets me speak a fucking joyous sound to every species in the sea, to the top of the mount, where we better alter, but only to the good shit. Cause these days we ain't too caught up in what we thought we should get, nor to give a fuck about how the world says we should have been. We just scratch a record about the genesis and everything is good again. Call it new beginnings, call it the fuck you want. These dreadful conditions that we live has never had a hope to stop. The thoughts that run free as the water in the stream, for you cannot cage your mind, nor can you kill a dream. Oh, we just living life in the moment, and we swear that these demons can't hold us, cause we dream better dreams than they showed us, and exposed every lie that they told us. Yeah, we just living life in the moment, and we'll only ever get more focused. Writing souls upon the walls before they close in, so they never forget we were poets. Living life in the moment, and we swear that these demons can't hold us, cause we dream better dreams than they showed us, and exposed every lie that they told us. Yeah, we just living life in the moment, and we'll only ever get more focused. Writing souls upon the walls before they close in, so they never forget we were poets.
And what sucks is I wish I could tell 18-year-old me, hey man, don't let this experience define you. It's more complicated. It's good people and bad people. Find those, irrespective of creed, class, color, find those people, because love intrinsically is bigger than fear.
Love got us vibing on the east side. Love is all we fucking need. Yeah, love is the key to the peace that these souls ain't been needing. Hold on, let me preach now. It be that shit that hold me down when I'm trying to fly. But these offbeats got me lost in some island vibes. And these notes make up the chords I've been trying to find. To convey good will to all until we're unified. If you want beef, no, I'm a vegan. So let's pass the best, so I really don't need this. Call me a pussy, that shit's fine. Sense from where all lights to rap. Y'all cause the guy has we gonna find on this side of heaven. Like damn, you divine, like good God. Let me do a praise dance for the universe in they pants, for the compassion in they hands, for the way the earth holds a breath one day down. Love got us vibing on the east side. Love is all we fucking need. Yeah, love is the key to the peace that these souls ain't been needing. Hold on, let me preach now. Love got us vibing on the east side. Love is all we fucking need. Yeah, love is the key to the peace that these souls ain't been needing. Hold on, let me preach now. We don't wanna be part of your game, so what? We just wanna offer comfort to those who mourn. We wanna reclaim the forest and purify the streams. Build a land that's engraved with peace. Sip from the 1%, y'all can get out. But if you want more out of life, sit down. Stop scheming, start dreaming. Give some of your shit to the needy. Then help us teach the soldiers how to dance, so they see that there's more to hold with their hands and the guns that were given by the ones of the vision to turn the wars into a motherfucking business. Like whoa, like that's fucked up. But no one's beyond redemption, but it's gotta be what you want. So we're clear, we are the wretched of the earth and fuck scum. But we found a life we'll live when we lost ourselves in love. Love got us vibing on the east side. Love is all we fucking need. Yeah, love is the key to the peace that these souls ain't been needing. Hold on, let me preach now. Love got us vibing on the east side. Love is all we fucking need. Yeah, love is the key to the peace that these souls ain't been needing. Hold on, let me preach now.
El Selassie is the champion. I don't really have no ambition, you know. I only have one thing that I really like to happen. I like to see mankind live together. Black, white, shiny, anyone. You know what I mean? That's
I don't know if I'ma be here tomorrow. I don't know if this all ends in sorrow. I don't know, but I know that I just wanna borrow. So I wanna tell this truthful if I'm able. Kiss your friend to get a free drink and a seat at your table. Before that I drank a pitcher course, cause I thought it was ironic that I danced with a couple strangers while I felt your eyes watching. Maybe hunting they hoped they were. To be honest, I'm not even sure. I wonder if you think me absurd, if you ever heard these words, which be fine, cause I honestly don't expect for you to call, if you to text, ever hear from you again. You offer your number, but I gave you mine instead. But perhaps I misspoke, 1,000 thoughts run through my head. Then I become more sure of this, more recollect. Then I fear my mistake is one perhaps we'll both regret. I don't know if I'ma be here tomorrow. I don't know if this all ends in sorrow. I don't know, but I know that I just wanna borrow your time. 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 We began speaking, cause you mentioned we're vegan. So we discussed the problematic production of the food we're eating. Moved on to capitalism, and you told me your friend's kindness, how you quit a good job on impulse, and now we're trying to get your feet back beneath it to go and finish your degree. Cause you were halfway finished when you dropped out, cause like me, you don't learn that well in the classroom. Look looking back, there's really only one question I wish I'd asked you. When I gotta help for answer, you wouldn't be to blame. Cause I'm fairly certain the angels have no use for last names. To Facebooks, to Instagrams, but fuck it, I wish they did. Cause I'd love to speak one last time, if only for a bit. I don't know if I'ma be here tomorrow. I don't know if this all ends in sorrow. I don't know, but I know that I just wanna borrow your time. 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 How romanticized is the point and that you become the stuff of dreams. You're making hope in your panties and one of those beautiful sights I've seen. And I've been blessed to see a lot, but honestly I'd rather stare at you. I'm frozen in my mind's eye cause the other sights can't compare with you. Vivid enough in existence that I feel as if I've been gifted a glimpse of something different, close to what the greatest works I hint. And I know that might sound exaggerated in a way, but how else do you describe it being so vibrant that they increased your face? Cause nothing so perfect could be random. You are walking, talking miracle, I can't hope to understand, but that I would take it as an example of the grace of the God we couldn't agree about. You went from the girl I thought had got away to the one I dream about. From time to time, trying to preserve your image in these lines, but it would be easy to fit together. See upon the street signs, still I will try, cause you're something that all the earth deserves to see. And I hope the words I whisper in the dark echo in your soul for eternity. I don't know if I'ma be here tomorrow. I don't know if this all ends in sorrow. I don't know, but I know that I just wanna borrow your time. 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 It's like ink splashed in the haphazard fashion across the canvas that was fractured. Analyzed backwards instructions. You said they mean nothing except for the pig with friends. And I believe the gypsy queen with lips that taste of cigarettes. You are too vibrant to be confined to just my memories. Or perhaps you just what happens when one travels the heaven streets and walks among the angels. Well, aware he cannot stay there, and if that is the case, then it's fucked up you don't play fair. But I'm overwhelmed grateful and unspeakably thankful for the moments that turn to memories that the devil cannot take from. Cause everything was good here for 2 days at least. We fucked like we loved each other, turned chaos into peace. Both lay exhausted but could not sleep. You rested your head upon me, and though you cried a couple times, you hid your eyes beneath the sheets. Now I'm sitting on a plane, wish I knew how to turn back time. Wondering, perhaps fearing that I've already seen you for the last time. I don't know if I'ma be here tomorrow. I don't know if this all ends in sorrow. I don't know, but I know that I just wanna borrow your time. 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 May the sky only cry sometimes, cause I'm scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have life. There is too much to create and too much love to make for me to spend even a moment with hate instead. Let's give freely to all who might be less fortunate ourselves, so together we are free them from the wicked wit and starvation, and us from the sickness of the self-preservation. Like, why is everyone so scared to die? It's no less natural than birth, so I'm forced to ask, why do we do everything in our power to try and prolong this existence that we've grown to despise? Cause there's no soul to it. It's one day in and day out, one feeling and unchanged. Don't let the compassion and the empathy and parasites are the good gifts we were set to inherit. We are one people need a grace so we can share it, bringing beauty and life to a land that was barren. May the sky only cry sometimes, cause it's scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have life. May the sky only cry sometimes, cause it's scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have life. There's beauty in all of us, but the fear hides it. But I say that with patience we can find it. Hey, you might not always always have someone that reminds you that you've been strengthened, not destroyed by all that lays behind you. But it's true, if you can see yourself from my view, you know that the universe took its time on you, drawing line after line of divine inspiration, finally designed with great care. You were shaped in. Please be aware that there are no mistakes here. Every breath in your lungs, it is sacred. Make you vessel that actually carries light, man. Start with the light that can brighten the darkest nights, and meet the morning sun as a friend and companion, and the moon as the same. The shapeless void has been banished, and you are no longer stranded. You are free to become who it was that you always meant to be. May the sky only cry sometimes, 'cause I'm scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have light. May the sky only cry sometimes, 'cause I'm scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have light. May the sky only cry sometimes, 'cause I'm scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have light. May the sky only cry sometimes, 'cause I'm scared that the flowers might die. May the sun and the moon sacrifice their own love so that we could have light. Fuck with this piano. Can you turn my headphones up a little bit? Yeah, like, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Even on my worst day when I'm struggling, she done still wanna fuck with me. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Yeah, and that just be the damn way. I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. On the real though, you on some bullshit, but I keep it mad chill like some Cool Whip. Y'all be acting stupid, 'cause you can't keep it 100 like we do. And I hate to sound greasy, but this trap shit, man, it's so easy. Like E equals MC squared. Y'all be too boxing to fucking see me, 'cause I tell the truth like a bad habit. And the truth is I don't fuck with the whack shit. Not like not even slightly. My girl caught up in what she thought that we might be, and I told her that I am not the one. The road I walk upon, indeed, be a lonely one. And you ain't gonna change how these cards been dealt. Just like you cannot change the way your heart fucking feels. Yeah. And you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Even on my worst day when I'm struggling, she done still wanna fuck with me. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Yeah, and that just be the damn way. I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. All that fake shit, it be nonsense. This real shit, man, I promise. Since nuclear war might be upon us, so figuring out the perfect time to go and be honest. 'Cause I've been unsure what life meant for, working long hours for a dream that I kept for years low key, but now I'm hell bent on making a reality. Like, why else was it dreamt for? And I've been with a girl that I see no future with, 'cause I've been too scared to go and do this shit on my own. But I am grown, but that don't mean I'm grown. Sometimes I confuse the shit, sometimes I can be the worst type of dude, looking in the mirror like, goddamn, who was you? So I play the game, not the one with the shoes, the one who sat in the mirror just to change his fucking view. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it. Tell the truth, I don't know what love is. In the worst way I be struggling, cause I don't know what love is. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it. Tell the truth, I don't know what love is. And that just be a damn shame, 'cause without him in the world fucking can't change. Float on, drift away. It's too bad that you couldn't stay. It's too bad that we became all the things that we wanna change. Float on, drift away. It's too bad that you couldn't stay. It's too bad that we became all the things that we wanna change. You were more than what I dreamed you. You were the fading light that I cling to. And I won't lie and say I need you, but I still wanna keep you. 'Cause my love tastes your changes sound like freedom. I slow walking along, curse eating, devoid of peace and barely breathing, ever sleeping but never dreaming. Don't look at me like that. When the devil come calling, please just fight back. Unlock your soul, get your life back. If you read this, don't write back. Float on, drift away. It's too bad that we couldn't stay. It's too bad that we became all the things that we wanna change. Float on, drift away. It's too bad that you couldn't stay. It's too bad that we became all the things that we wanna change. Float on, drift away. Too bad that you couldn't stay. Too bad. bad that we became other things you wanna change. Float on, drift away. Too bad that you couldn't stay. Too bad that we became other things that we wanna change. Float on, drift away. Too bad that you couldn't stay. Too bad that we became other things you wanna change. Float on, drift away. Too bad that we became other things you wanna change. I hope my next girl be a poet, that she bad as fuck and she know it. He stay, we just get a little closer, blowing tree and sipping some mimosas, yeah. And I hope she mad chill, that she smart as fuck and always keep it real, that her whole life she done been instilled with some piece of love that this world needs to heal. Yup, and it's a note to her bitch face, cause this girl doesn't really fuck with shame, cause she too busy winning this game by a landslide, and I can't lie, she the type to die living, cause she know that it's more than just existing. And the Davis type chick with the hair out, all the fuck boys in the back getting scared now, but I'm just mesmerized by the starlight in her eyes, and I wonder if we can find a ray or two to occupy together. Oh Lord, this must be heaven. Queen and king who be reigning forever, but that's just for another day. Right now I just love the way she moves. Someone might have to resuscitate me, cause I'm floored by how she operates. God damn, she make it mighty hard to concentrate. I hope my next girl be a poet, that she bad as fuck and she know it. He stay, we just get a little closer, blowing tree and sipping some mimosas, yeah. And I hope she mad chill, damn straight, that she smart as fuck and always keep it real, hell yeah. That her whole life she done been instilled with some piece of love that this world needs to heal. Tell her, yeah. And I just wanna speak with her, real shit, I just wanna dream with her, of course I wanna sleep with her, but tell the truth, we probably won't sleep that much, cause sex with her is bound to cut the power off. Find the candles and I check the fuse box, cause the circle bound to trip. The second that we kiss, she be grabbing on my dick and I be rubbing on her tits. And this is more than sex, it's naked poetry. Love made the way it's supposed to be, at least I hope it is. Something to mend the brokenness, pleasure and connection really be the only focus is. Washing away every fear and insecurity that either one of us ever has been burdened with, and phasing for the love we make, we're so immersed in it that we hardly notice age or change far as the curses lives. I hope my next girl be a poet, that she bad as fuck and she know it. He stay, we just get a little closer, blowing tree and sipping some mimosas, yeah. And I hope she mad chill, that she smart as fuck and always keep it real, that her whole life she done been instilled with some piece of love that this world needs to heal. I've been walking beneath streetlights. I've been walking, cause I can't find peace on these nights. I've been walking, but my strides are getting slower. Still I'm walking, but I don't know where I'm going. I've been looking for love, but only found deception. Told my secrets to some people who have not kept them. I've been looking for someone I could connect with, but I've only found strangers to share my bed with. I've been walking beneath streetlights. I've been walking, cause I can't find peace on these nights. I've been walking, but my strides are getting slower. Still I'm walking, but I don't know where I'm going. I've been walking beneath streetlights. I've been walking, cause I can't find peace on these nights. I've been walking, and my strides are getting slower. Still I'm walking, but I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, and time marches on. I look around and I wonder how come I got a march alone. Am I cursed or blessed? Well, hell if I know. But I've been watching my friends growing love here. I must confess that I want what they have. Deep down, I wanna be a dad, but I just can't imagine trusting anybody that much. And it's tragic cause I was ill-equipped to love before she had been. Now I'm a shadow who I was before the magic vacated the moments of trying to exist in. Now I'm left with the belief that love is fiction, something that we dreamed of, waiting for the dawn we hope would ease the pain in our souls, but we need it. I'm scared that some of us can reach it. Some of us can reach it. I'm just scared that some of us can reach it. I've been walking beneath streetlights. I've been walking cause I can't find peace on these nights. I've been walking, but my strides are getting slower. Still I'm walking, but I don't know where I'm going. I've been walking beneath streetlights. I've been walking cause I can't find peace on these nights. I've been walking and my strides are getting slower. Still I'm walking, but I don't know where I'm going. Let's go be a poet. That she bad as fuck and she know it. He stay, we just get a little closer. Blowing tree and sipping some mimosas, yeah. And I hope she mad chill. That she smart as fuck and always keep it real. That her whole life she done been instilled with some peace and love that this world needs to heal. Yup, and it's a no to her bitch face. Cause this girl doesn't really fuck with shame. Cause she too busy winning this game by a landslide, and I can't lie. She the type to die living. Cause she know that it's more than just existing. And the Davis type chick with the hair out. All the fuck boys in the back getting scared now. But I'm just mesmerized by the starlight in her eyes. And I wonder if we can find a ray or two to occupy together. Oh Lord, this must be heaven. Queen and king who be reigning forever, but that's just for another day. Right now I just love the way she moves. Someone might have to resuscitate me, cause I'm floored by how she operates. God damn, she make it mighty hard to concentrate. I hope let's go be a poet. That she bad as fuck and she know it. He stay, we just get a little closer. Blowing tree and sipping some mimosas, yeah. And I hope she mad chill. Damn straight. That she smart as fuck and always keep it real. Hell yeah. That her whole life she done been instilled with some peace and love that this world needs to heal. Tell her, yeah. And I just wanna speak with her, real shit, I just wanna dream with her, of course I wanna sleep with her, but tell the truth, we probably won't sleep that much, cause sex with her is bound to cut the power off. Find the candles and I check the fuse box, cause the circuit bound to trip. The second that we kiss, she be grabbing on my dick and I be rubbing on her tits. And this is more than sex, it's naked poetry. Love made the way it's supposed to be, at least I hope it is. Something to mend the brokenness, pleasure and connection really be the only focus. Washing away every fear and insecurity that either one of us ever has been burdened with, and phasing for the love we make, we're so immersed in it that we hardly notice age or change far as the curse slips. I hope let's go be a poet. That she bad as fuck and she know it. He stay, we just get a little closer. Blowing tree and sipping some mimosas, yeah. And I hope she mad chill. That she smart as fuck and always keep it real. That her whole life she done been instilled with some peace and love that this world needs to heal.